Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the sequence and series, which is unit 3 of class 10. And firstly, we are going to discuss about the sequence. Sequence is a rule for going from one number to another. For example, you can see here that 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, and so on. You can see the first term is 1, and if you see clearly, you can see that between 5 and 1 there is a common difference of 4. That means when number 4 is added to the 1, you will get 5. Similarly, if you add this same number in 4, if you add this 4 in 5, you will get 9. Again, in this third term, if you add 4, you will get coming next term 13. Again, if you add 4, you will get 17. In the 17, again if you add 4, you will get 21, and so on. That means in this arrangement, you can see that a constant number, that is plus 4, is added in each term, and we have obtained a series of numbers. So sequence is a rule for going from one number to another. That means in first term, in the first number, if you add 4, you will get 5. Similarly, in second number, you add again the same number, then you will get the third term, and so on. So such kind of arrangement is called sequence. Similarly, in the next example, you can see that here is a 2, 4, 8, 16, 13, and so on. That means in the first term, we have if you multiply 2. If first term is multiplied with 2, you will get second term, that is 4. Again, this 4 when multiplied with 2, you will get 8. Again, when this 8 is multiplied with 2, you will get 16, and so on. That means in this case, in the first case, we have added a constant term 4 in each term. But in second example, we have multiplied each term with a constant number 2. So this example 1 and 2 are said to be the examples of sequence, because in first example, we have added constant number 4 in each term and obtained a list of numbers. Similarly, in example 2, we have multiplied each terms by constant number 2 and obtained a list of numbers. So such kind of arrangement is called a sequence. Dear students, now we discuss about the series. Series, in terms of series, we can say if the terms of sequence are connected mean added with each other by plus or minus sign, then resulting expression is known as a series. For example, you can see here, first term is added with second term is added with third term, and so on. Then such expression is said to be series. Similarly, you can see another example. Here in example B, you can see first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 8, and the fourth term is 16, and so on. And here is minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and so on. Such expressions are said to be series. Now, dear students, we discuss about the progression. And progression is defined as the arrangement of numbers obtained by adding a constant term or multiplying by a constant term is called progression. For example, in example first, you can see 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 13, and so on. Here you can see in first term, when first term is multiplied with constant number 2, so you get 2 ones are 2. Again, when second term 2 is multiplied with 2, you will get 4. Again, when this 4 is multiplied with 2, you will get 8, and so on. So such arrangement is called progression. Similarly, you can see in example B, you can see when first term is when constant number 3 is added to the first term, you will get 6. Again, in second term, when constant number 3 is added, you will get 9. And again, in third term, when constant number 3 is added, you will get 12, and so on. So this arrangement is obtained by adding a constant number, that is plus 3. Similarly, in example C, you can see that 8,000, here is 8,000 first term. When 500 is added here, you will get second term, that is 8,500. Again, when 500 is added here, you will get 9,000, and so on. So such kind of arrangement is called progression.